Hi, everybody. Good morning. We're going to be using a software package that we have called Competition University. Competition University has a lot of good business information in it. And then a lot of times what we do here at school is we'll actually use it for preparation for DECA competition. But in addition to that, it actually has some really good business lessons. So I don't believe your class has ever been logged into it before. So I'm going to show you how you get logged in. One of the things that's going to be a little bit strange is that you are literally logging in using another student's password. And the reason why we do that is because the software package is very expensive and we don't have to use it all of the time. So I'm going to walk you through how you log in, what that means to log in as somebody else, and I'm going to show you how you navigate down to the lesson that you're going to be doing because the interface is not the most straightforward. So this lesson is going to be called HR lesson in Competition University. The HR stands for Human Resources. So right here in our assignment, right up here at the top, we're going to log into Competition University. Here is the link to help you with your login and password. Yes, you're logging in as another student. Here's where it's going to take me. Let me slide this over for you so you can see it. Okay. All right. So here's where it's going to take me. And when you notice right up here at the top, it's going to give you the link or also the URL so that you can get logged into competitionuniversity.com. And then it's going to have a list of student logons, passwords, and then all of you in this class, you're going to notice that your name is over here on the right-hand side. So I'm going to start out with Matthew A at the top. Matthew A, I'm going to log in as you for today. So you're going to see that for Matthew A, that is student login, is going to be 1 Luke Borkowski. The password is 1 Borkowski. Over here, there is no space at all, and it's actually not case sensitive. And please notice in the password, it is not case sensitive either. A big thing to recognize is that it is not your name. And sometimes people are a little bit mixed up with that. All right, so I've come on over and now I'm into Competition University. This is what it's going to look like for you. Okay, and when we log in, it like automatically pulled up my account, but I'm going to log in for Matthew A as Luke Borkowski. So I start out number 1, Luke Borkowski. And then for my password, again, I'm getting it right from this list for Matthew, is going to be 1 Borkowski. So for my password, 1, I hate when you can't see it. 1 Borkowski, you can say, remember, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to log in as Luke every time, and I'm going to log in. Okay, I personally don't want to save that, but you can save that if you'd like. So you're going to notice that now what's going on is that you're going to be logged in. I'm going to come to the right. I'm going to notice that I'm logged in as Luke Borkowski. If you make a mistake, you probably have made a spelling mistake, or you probably put a space in when you actually didn't need it. Those are the 2 biggest things that actually happen. So this is actually navigated exactly to what I want to do, but I want to pretend like that did not work out for you and that we have to actually do something else. So I'm going to come back over to my assignment. And when I come on back over to my assignment and I take a look at the instructions, I'm just going to Okay, so here we are. We're back at the instructions. When I come over to the instructions, I logged in. We're all good. Here's the video walking you through. That's this. And then these are the steps. So notice that it says DECA prep track, DECA exam prep. So I'm going to start out right up here. And this is going to be my prep track. I'm going to select that. And then I want to select DECA prep track. I'm going to select that so I get that other pop-up menu. I'm going to come back over. What am I looking for? Number 3. Business Administration Core, and then I'm going to scroll down on the left to Human Resources. So I'm looking for my, what does it say? Exam prep. Okay, exam prep, and I'm looking for Business Administration Core right here. And when that opens up, it's going to have a list of all these different items. I'm going to scroll down to number 8, Human Resources Management. All right, once I select Human Resources Management, I'm going to take a look in the middle of the screen. So I'm going to see that, yes, I'm actually in human resources management, which means attracting, training, assessing, maintaining, and rewarding employees. Then my next step is to now take a look in the top middle of the screen and choose activities and lessons and scroll down and complete the human resources KPI lesson. So right here, activities and lessons, and I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. You can see I've got a couple different choices. And when I scroll down, I'm looking for this one. Kind of looks like a yellow file box or like a briefcase or something. It's going to be a hyperlink. You can see as I roll over it, it should take me about 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Comes up, makes you do this enter thing, kind of goofy. Okay, it takes just a little second, launch it, press 5 other buttons, and then what happens is it's going to throw you into this interactive learning environment, and it's going to take you through step by step of exactly what you need to do. Okay, so step by step of what you need to do. It will actually play sound for you out loud if you would like to do that, and I'm going to work my way through. I see my next button down here. And this is going to allow me, all this is interactive here in the middle, next button, interactive, et cetera, next button. And when you get done, there should be kind of like a little quiz kind of thing where you can answer and see how you did. All right. So when I get totally done, I'm going to take a screenshot of my results and I'm going to upload that for my assignment. Good luck. Reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.